The ceremonial courtroom, with justices and lawyers beautifully dressed in their ceremonial attire, is for the valedictory session in honor of Justice Amina Augie, who is retiring from the Supreme Court after attaining the mandatory age of 70. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Olukayode Ariwola, eulogizes her for her immense contributions to the growth of the Nigerian judiciary.
My Lord Amina believes strongly that a good judge must have the capacity to hear courteously, answer wisely, consider soberly, and decide impartially. That strong belief has had a tenacious foothold in all her judgments, and that is why she can conveniently walk tall among her peers.
The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, hints that the federal government is poised at supporting the independence of the judiciary so as to achieve effective justice delivery.
Administration shall also guarantee excellent conditions of service and remuneration good enough to appreciate the onerous duties of judicial officers at all levels. We are also appreciative of the greater goal of achieving a true independence for the judiciary, which can only be achieved through a comprehensive and sustainable reform process which requires attention to details.
In her remarks, the retired justice says with increased cases in all courts, there is the urgent need for the National Assembly to immediately amend the Nigerian Constitution to give rise to speedy dispensation of cases.
That swift action is needed from the 10th National Assembly to accomplish what the others could not. That is, amending the Constitution to enhance the functioning of our courts in Nigeria. Because it is my sincere wish that the justices coming behind me do not go through what those before them went through.
Joseph Kadri, ITV News.